back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reacting to my old slimes. So let's get started. So I am like so nervous I'm squishing one of my squishes. So yeah, this one's a steam bun. So yeah, I'm sorry. So the first one is let's mix them up. Okay, now I'm gonna pick randomly. I picked this one because I already touched it. Oh, it's my yellow slime. I want to do this one last. So I'm gonna pick. No, I kind of want to do this one last because it kind of looks milky. If you want to see, it kind of looks milky, right? So yeah, let's do this one first. Okay. Oh, it's slime, but it feels like wet. Oh, it's nice. I like it. So yeah, it's pretty nice. Oh my god, this is nice. I'm not gonna stop playing. I'm not gonna stop playing with this for a long time. It's so nice. So yeah, let's feel the poking noises. So yeah. And by the way, as you can see, this is yellow slime. So yeah, let's put that yellow slime to the side and let's do this one. I'm so excited. Ew. It's like liquidy. Ew. I don't think this is slime no more. Look. So let's give it a touch. Can you guys see it? Ew, 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 this is not even slime. Ew, I need a napkin. Oh my god, this is disgusting. Ew, but you can't do the poking noises because it's not even slime. And oh my god, look at the bottom. It's so glittery. And look at the top. And look at the bottom. And look at the top. And look at the bottom. But anyways, this one was the best, and that one was that one I did not like at all. But so yeah, this one, and no, you know what? I got another slime to react to. You know what? I'll do it in another video. But thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe and leave in the comments. Let me know if you I don't know, but bye.